In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open and create a new workbook in Microsoft Excel. First, launch the Excel app on your computer. When Excel opens, you'll usually land on the home screen. This is a helpful starting point because it lets you jump right into a fresh file or pick from a variety of templates. If you're starting from scratch, choose Blank Workbook. That gives you a clean grid where you can immediately begin typing data, building tables, or writing formulas. If you already have a specific use case in mind, like a budget, a calendar, or a project tracker, templates can save time by giving you a ready-made structure that you can customize. If you prefer speed, one of the quickest ways to create a brand new workbook is with a keyboard shortcut. Press Ctrl plus N and Excel instantly opens a new blank workbook. This is great when you're in the middle of something else and need a clean sheet right away. It works whether you're on the home screen or already have a workbook open. You can also create a new workbook using the menu, click the File tab, select New, and then click Blank Workbook. This route is especially helpful if you like to browse templates first, since you'll see recommended options alongside the blank choice. If you don't see the home screen when Excel starts, it likely means you're already inside a workbook, so using File, then New is a reliable way to get to a fresh one. Now, if your goal is to open an existing file rather than start a new one, go to File, then Open. From here, you can browse your computer, your organization's shared locations, or connected cloud storage to find the workbook you need. This is useful when you know exactly where the file is saved and want full control over where you're looking. For a faster option still under File and Open, check the Recent List. This shows the workbooks you've opened most recently, so you can quickly get back to something you were working on without hunting through folders. It's a simple way to resume your work with just a couple of clicks. To recap, open Excel and choose Blank Workbook or a template on the home screen. Use Ctrl plus N for an instant new file, or go to File, New and Blank Workbook if you prefer the menu path. And when you need to open an existing file, use File, Open to Browse, or pick from the recent list to jump back in quickly. With these options, you can start or continue your work in Excel in the way that fits your workflow best.